The Judge and the White Veil, an untold story. It was a quiet town nestled between rolling hills and shimmering rivers, where life seemed to follow a predictable rhythm. Justice was served in a grand old courthouse that stood as a testament to law and order. Inside, Judge Samuel Clayton was known as the epitome of fairness. His stern demeanor and sharp intellect had earned him respect across the land. One autumn morning, an unusual case landed on his desk. A young woman named Clara White had been accused of theft. She was no ordinary defendant. Clara was known for her humility and grace, always dressed in a pristine white veil that symbolized her purity. Rumors swirled around town about her beauty and the mysterious life she led, but no one knew much about her past. As Clara stood in court, her white veil slightly obscured her face, but her calm composure spoke volumes. She pleaded not guilty, and her words echoed through the courtroom. I am innocent, but I cannot prove it alone. Judge Clayton found himself uncharacteristically intrigued. There was something in her voice, a quiet strength, a hidden truth that begged to be unearthed. Against his better judgment, he decided to extend the trial to allow for a deeper investigation. Over the weeks, evidence was brought forth, but none of it conclusively proved Clara's guilt. The townspeople were divided, some believed in her innocence, while others were convinced of her deceit. Judge Clayton, however, began to notice inconsistencies in the testimony of the accusers. One evening, after the court had adjourned, Clara approached him in private. She revealed the truth behind her white veil. It was a symbol of a promise she had made to her late mother, to always walk a path of righteousness. Clara shared her story of being framed by powerful men who wanted to exploit her silence and her refusal to bend to their will. Judge Clayton, deeply moved by her tale, vowed to ensure that justice prevailed. He reopened the investigation, uncovering a web of lies and corruption that led to the real culprits, wealthy landowners who sought to use Clara as a scapegoat for their crimes. In the final hearing, Judge Clayton declared Clara innocent. Her white veil became a symbol of triumph, not just for her, but for justice itself. The townspeople, ashamed of their quick judgment, apologized and celebrated her courage. For Judge Clayton, the case was more than just a trial. It was a lesson in looking beyond appearances and trusting in the power of truth. As Clara left the courthouse, her veil fluttering in the breeze, she turned back to the judge and smiled, a silent thank you for believing in her when no one else did. From that day forward, the story of the judge and the woman in the white veil became a legend in the town, a reminder that justice, when guided by compassion and courage, can uncover even the most hidden truths.